So today we will discuss about strings in C++. So let's get started. A string is a sequence of characters terminated with a null character /0. String variables are variables that hold 0 or more characters, such as letters, numbers, spaces, commas, and many more. You can't use a numeric function such as addition or subtraction on string variables. String is like that, you can see here. AASHINA. This is known as a full string, that is also known as array of characters. We will see about array later on. First of all, you should know what is string. So string is like one character is here and then collection of characters. You can say that is a collection of characters like one character, two character, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is a collection of different type of characters that combinedly known as a string. Like you can see here, I had written a program. First of all, we will write a character. We will give it the name, that is NAME name, and we will give it the space, that is 20, so that it can store 20 characters. If we have to store a single character, then we will just write char and name, and we can store like A, B, C, D. But if we have to store collection of characters, that is known as a string. So you can use string like that also, that I had shown in this program, like enter your name and then cin.get name, 20. Mean to say that we have to read the string like this, cin.get and then name of that character variable or string variable and then comma and then 20. Mean to say that 20 characters we can get in that. So see out your name is name. So output will be just whatever we had entered in the name. Like I had entered SHIL, Sahil, so output will be there, your name is Sahil. So let us see one program of C++, a simple string program where I will show you how to use string. In this program I had shown you how to use a string by using this char data type, but we will now see how to use the string using string data type. So now we will do right click on this folder and then open it with code, and after opening we will name this string.cpp. So now we will start writing our program. So we can include here IOstream, but other than that, if we want to use strings, so we can include string header file also, like include and then string string. So we can also include the string header file. So I had already written the main things that we have to write again and again in every program. So now I will start the string program. Very simple, only outputting a string variable. Like we will start by, like we will use here string. Now we will name this greeting, and in greeting we will store a value using double quotes, or we can use single quotes. We will write hello. Hello is a greeting, so we will store a greeting in this string, and now we will output this string like string string greeting equal to greeting. Now let's see the output of this program. Let me arrange it properly first. Now let's see the output. So string greeting equal to hello. So this is the simple way of writing a string. Other than that, we can also input a string, like first of all we will write a string and then A. We have declared a string and now we will use C in A to input that string. First of all we will write here cout, enter a string, and then it will be inputted. So let's start this program again. So first of all came here enter a string, we will enter here SAHIL. So I had entered that string, so string greeting equal to hello. Nothing else came here, mean to say that we had entered that string, we had stored it in variable A, but we had not outputted it. So let me output it also, like cout and then my name is, and then we will write here A. Now we will output the string. So let me close it and run it again. So we are seeing here that enter a string. I had written my name Sahil and enter. So my name is Sahil and then string greeting hello. Again I forgot to use a /n, so I will use a /n here, and now we will start it again. Let me give a space also here. Now we'll start it again. So I'm starting it again. So now enter a string. I had written my name Sahil and enter, and now my name is Sahil had came in another line. I have to not write /n here. I will not write /n here. I have to write /n here afterwards, after the A. You to say that after the string. So now it will be proper output, I think so. So now it is proper output, I think. So I will write here name Sahil and then my name is Sahil, and then string reading. So this is the method how we can take input and output, how we can use this string. So hope you had understood it well. Thanks for watching this video.